a lovely sunset on the waterfront.
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, hello, hello. Wagwan, big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. I've been trying to refamiliarize myself with Manchester and the surrounding parishes. And so I've been making an effort to go to different places just to reacquaint with the environment. A friend of mine, a girlfriend of mine, and I went the other day to Balaclava, sort of retracing some of her childhood memories and giving me an opportunity to see what it's like. We traveled through that woods on majority of the journey with woods on both sides of the road as we were going. It was just so picturesque and so relaxing and soothing. The untouched landscape as we made our way into Balaclava, and just to see what the town looks like now. I've been to Christiana, and just to see some of the changes that has happened there since I've been there last, and to see some of the developments, as well as to see some of the quaint spots that I've been to and spent time at before. And even in Mandeville, just to see some of the changes that has taken place in the cities over time. Even just recently, one of the dual carriageway has now been changed into a one-way system, and I was there. I was able to witness that change happening. And so I've been trying to go to different places like Santa Cruz. I've also gone to Maypen, and I've made a couple trips to Kingston, not just to Uptown, but also to New Kingston. And I've also ventured into downtown. And it was quite a refreshing experience just to go and to see how things have, some of the things that remain constant and some of the things that have changed, and how the place is developing, and the regentrification of downtown Kingston, for example, and getting an opportunity to see what it looks like, and seeing the art district and the paintings, the murals that they have on the walls, and all of these things that are happening in these spaces is just quite interesting. And so I'm just going to share some of those with you. Not all of those were recorded because I wanted to take in the experience without too much of a distraction. But some of those experiences I will be sharing with those people who just want to see how these areas are looking now, who haven't been there for a long time. And I'm hoping that you enjoy seeing this. My downtown experience that I had, I didn't want to profile the typical things that people show downtown. I wanted to look at it from a different point of view, and so hopefully you will also see the magic in what I saw when I went downtown. And when I say magic, I mean it in the sense of how wonderful an experience it was, and how relaxing it can be, an atmosphere depending on what part of downtown you go. Downtown is a hustle and bustling hub. It's like the financial center of the country. However, there are other aspects to it other than that, and I wanted to experience and showcase some of the other aspects of it too. So hopefully you will find that refreshing. It was also very good to see the new highways that are being built, and the one that's recently opened, and to travel along it. And I will share some of that footage with you too. So I hope that you do enjoy it. This is the big red Santa Cruz. My trip in. Okay. And today my journey has taken me into Maypen. So at the moment I'm just here in Maypen. Haven't been to Maypen in such a long time. And that's the police station, I think. Yeah, police station. It's early in the morning, it's about 8:40, and the town is busy. Going to try and find my way to where I need to get to now. Hello, hello, hello. Wagwan, big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. We are trying to get to Kingston today, and we're going through Maypen. Not because we must, but because I need to go and meet up with someone so that we can go there together. So I've taken a taxi from Mandeville down to Maypen, and now I'm just heading to sort out something I need to sort out in Maypen whilst I wait for my traveling partner to go to Kingston. Downtown, we've managed to make our way to the waterfront. Nice and lovely view. This waterfront is such an improvement to what I know. This is Digicel Tower, and then the nice view . island grill experience. Jerk chicken leg and pirate festival, and I have my blended drink, and I'm also going to be having some fried plantain with that. So I've got a portion of fried plantain, and I'm going to be enjoying my meal on the waterfront. What a lovely sunset on the waterfront. Majestic. Yes, downtown and the water. I want to thank you for spending your time watching and sharing in our adventure, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. So bye for now and take care.
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Jam Fam, come hang with me.